suffering from lower back pain. I can understand your pain. I was also suffering from it, and I figured out how to fix it basically slowly. And so all this session we are created for you only, so that if somebody is facing that issue and figuring out how to fix that, then you can watch this and get some help. But I will tell you, it's a very slow progress, so don't look for any quick fixes. Like there's so many videos on internet, on YouTube, that showing you one exercise, one stretch, one yoga asana, one this, one that to fix that. But that's not the case, because I tried all of them. Not it worked for immediate basis, like for a few minutes or few hours, but then again the pain start happening. So we should be doing at the root cause. So this is a pullover exercise session 17. So I'm doing warm up with the small weights. Warm up is very important, guys, if you are to do with a little bit of more weight. But if you're suffering from very much back pain, like it's paining, even bending in these positions, then I will suggest to go with body weight only, just to have the habitual of these positions. So in this exercise we training are mostly mid back and upper and lower all together. Our main focus is mid back. But if a lower back pain, then like I'm bending the lower back also, the hip section, that you not always have to do. Just keep that straight if you're having the pain there. So slowly you can progress. So this is the ideal way we should do, that I'm showing you. That we have to stretch both the mid, upper and the lower also. So like this we're doing, then we're training all the three parts of back all together, upper, mid and the lower area around the spine. So it will build the tolerance around the spine tissues. Bigger muscle also it will target, but our main focus is not on targeting the bigger muscles, because most of the pain for day-to-day activity is happening because the tissues are not tolerant. Means the tissues are not habitual, that it should not flare up or it should not give up and send the message to the nervous system that please show the sign of pain to the person. You understanding that? So our body is a mechanism of defense. So whenever it figure out a sign of, you can say, pain, then it will inform by the nerves to the brain that stop this movement, don't bend because it's causing me pain. Even though it's a very small pain, but over a long of a year, if you're suffering and you're building that up, then even a small movement, like small thing from the floor, like a pencil or socks, when you try to shoe up, then it will cause pain, because body is so much afraid that if you do any activity, then the pain will come up. Okay, so we're retraining the body basically by all these activities. Just slowly the body, by lowering the weight and lowering the movement cycle, so that body got habitual. Okay, by doing all this movement, the pain should not come, and I should not inform the brain that the pain is coming up, and that movement is okay. So that's our main purpose. And slowly it will do the blood circulation around the spine, and obviously the muscles and tissue will also get stronger. So our body is interconnected. So don't think we are only training muscles or tissues or ligaments. No, we're training our brain itself, because that is the main central point in a human body and for causing any pain. So see, slowly I'm increasing the weight, and this was 10 kg. Now I should go for 12.5 kg. So doing the same few reps for the heads up and few reps with the head down, so that we can target the overall back, means upper, mid and lower, and a little bit of shoulder also. The main thing is we have to keep our elbows straight. Means we should not bend the elbows, because if we bend the elbow, then the focus will go some more on the shoulder, triceps and on the arm side. As much as you can straighten up your arm, just better. So as you can see, I'm locking up my elbow, so it's very straight, so I should not get more tension on my arms. Little bit will be there, but if you bend it, then the whole focus will go from the back to the arms section, right? Arms and shoulder. So all the reps are controlled reps, very slow reps. See, I'm stretching at the last and as much as can. If you're suffering and even getting in this position is in the pain section, you're getting a lower back, I will suggest not to go as deep initially. But this is the ideal way I'm showing you, that we should go up to this range to have the full strength of the back, because all the tissues and muscles will get stretch and get strength from the full range, right? But if you're low back, and you can start from small range, like only moving a dumbbell up to your head by keeping the arm straight, then slowly going below and below to the floor. Okay, so slowly you have to do, and just follow us along in the sessions. We are slowly progressing, so just keep in mind that fixing the lower back is not that easy. You can say it's simple, I will say, but it's not very easy. I will show you the exercise, but the main point is the patience level. If you don't have the patience, then you will again injure yourself. And especially if you're going to gym, then you have to be very focused on your training and what you're doing, because there's so many attractions there for doing this exercise. Like somebody is doing squat, somebody is doing deadlift, somebody is doing bench press, somebody is doing dumbbell curls, this and that. But you have back pain, because so many people they don't have, so they will not understand. So you have to focus on yourself first. Once you build the back, so that's not